Yep, it's me. Hi everyone, guys. And today I'm lost at all. Anyway, let's start with our base. I'm using pomade from Maybelline, apply to our eyelid, and today we will do our rock show makeup. And of course, you can use this for your Halloween look because who knows, maybe you will be the rock star there. Why not? I'm applying this not only on top but also under the eye because we use our eyeshadow there too. Probably this will be something red or purple. I still didn't decide yet because both of them I'm really like. Let me show the pigment on my hand and I have no idea. Still not.
3 hours later.
And I did choose third pigment, but yeah, still red. First I will pick up this one matte eyeshadow and we'll put this on our crease in our blending area. And when you started blending, don't forget to keep your brush clean. And don't dip too much your brush in pigment or you will do yourself hard time blending out. And don't dip fully, just one of the angle. While blending, clean your brush as often as you can. And move from side to side and up and down. And your blending will be perfect, yeah. And apply some more pigment if you still think it's not enough and keep blending very well together. Under eye we also use red and deep red together and blending it out with our top color. And right now I decide to make a little bit more sharp lines, let's say cat eyes effect. And basically you can see how I blend my pigment from one side, my eye, to out. And right now my favorite part, let's add some white. Mine is white shimmer and I'm add this under my eyebrow and later we'll add to inner corner of my eye too. It will make look more open. And the most bright part will be in the very corner, and after this we're blending it out together with our red. And right now we need black eyeshadow and we start from the out angle and slowly blending to the middle of the eye. Don't dip your brush too much. Don't pick up extra pigment and this will be easier to blend after. And apply pigment only on one corner of your brush. It will help you a lot to blend it all together after. Okay, I think I'm almost done. But I'm sure, I think I need something more, but not sure what. But actually I think I need something more, but I'm not sure what I want to add. Maybe glitter always help. We will apply this a little bit on our eyelid. For fixing this there, I'm using a hair gel, or actually you can use primer or special glitter glue. It's really up to you. And yeah, sorry about my voice. I woke up sick today. I catch a cold, I guess, a few days ago. But still keep going because I want to finish this video. And actually I'm excited to show you one of my more Halloween video, which will take for you maximum 25-30 minutes to work on. And in this moment I almost start to cry, literally. That was not the best day. But we never give up, we still keep going. And even if I don't much like my makeup that day, at the end it turned out really well and I was happy. Here I decided to add a little bit more on the bottom of the eyes and a little bit on the angles, just for make look darker. And right now we start my favorite part. We will draw the star all around the face. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I'm happy. But if you don't have that much pigmented eyeshadow, you can use primer or eyeshadow base, and this should help. Also, you can try any cream based eyeshadow. It should be very well work for draw on the face. Also try first start from tiny lines and only after make this thicker. Just in case if you do mistake, it won't be that bad. And check how I move the brush. That helped make this end of the star really tiny and like from color to 0. The last part is we check in the lines, add some more pigment where we want this darker or whatever we want from this star. And we get to the most interesting part for me. I was actually excited from the clown makeup for doing this. I know, just for me this technique looks like a real rock. So yeah, it's time for mascara. Apply this on the star, like point it all around. Try don't pick up too much product, or you can have a too dark spot or just plain black line. We don't need it. We need just gently touch the skin and left the brush picture on our face. Basically use this like a stamp. And here I decide to add some harsh lines from my eyelid to eyebrow and a little bit out for make this more rock style look. Yeah, in this moment I still don't like my makeup that much, but at the end it looks nice. Okay, and here you can see how it looks like. I'm pretty sure this technique will be useful for another makeups for Halloween, that's for sure. We'll see. Okay, and this is my favorite part. Eyebrow, I do this a little bit darker this time because my makeup is really dark and bright, so I need, comparing to this, also dark eyebrow. And you know what? It's glitter time again. I use my favorite hair gel for apply some glitter on my star. This time I decide go without stones, but actually next rock show we'll do with stones, black star, like more classic, or maybe some flash. We'll see, but definitely it will be something new and different. Well, okay, I look more satisfied. Yeah, let's rock. Of course, some more glitter. This I will use for my lips. Actually, it's my favorite for almost all the makeup, but sometimes I skip this, and I will show this on Variety Glam makeup that I skip and prefer matte lipstick. I guess that time I think, oh, there's nothing to lose, so I will add just more glitter. And actually, bright red looks a little bit empty. Oh, by the way, by this time I prepare my eyelashes. You remember I'm usually put some glue, and only after 30 minutes to 1 minute I apply this. Oh, and here I was lost my eyelashes and then finally found it. Oh my god. I told you that day I was lost at all. Okay, and I will use strong technique to apply this glitter. I use eyelash glue on my lip for make this glitter hold all night and even more. It's not that much complicated to remove. You just need to use warm water and your makeup remover around your lips. And after just finish this with your micellar water. Don't go right away with micellar water and cotton disc. It's not gonna work and this will be hard, so yeah, make yourself favor. I'm applying glue and right away go with glitter because we need to apply it there until glue is still wet. And be careful, don't eat glitter, yeah. Okay, my favorite part, which usually change all makeup, is my eyelashes. As usually, I glue one angle and out angle going up. So it looks like one line, but this looks make my eye look like cat eye effect. And of course my favorite bottom eyelashes. Oh, of course I choose the wrong one from another side. It's me, yeah, I'm lost. Okay, actually we're almost done, but I don't much like my lips is too bright red. Yeah, especially with glitter, of course. But okay, we still can do this darker with our eyeshadow. Just apply this on top of glitter and this will be already darker. And yes, this will be blending pretty well because as I told you, matte eyeshadow will be blending a lot harder from one to one, and shimmer or glitter will be pretty well mixed out. Okay, right now I do some fast contouring. Maybe I will do another lesson just about contouring, but in general it's just, you can see, not that difficult. And I add some white on my nose and my cheek. And then I'm really start to like white pigment or something really light in this area. It's make your face look totally different, more fresh. Yeah, I hope you like my makeup tutorial and this how it's turned out. Let's rock, guys, and don't forget to follow me for more makeup, and me and LP will try to do all the best for you.